In today's business world, technology plays a transformative role in enhancing transparency, accountability, and sustainability. For responsible leaders, understanding and implementing technology is not just an operational necessity, it's a strategic priority. One of the most powerful technologies supporting responsible leadership today is blockchain. Blockchain offers the ability to trace and verify every step of the supply chain, ensuring transparency and ethical sourcing. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger technology that enables secure and transparent transactions without the need for intermediaries. The promise of blockchain goes beyond cryptocurrency. It is now being applied to various industries, from fashion to food production, to track materials, certify ethical practices, and ensure that businesses meet their sustainability commitments. In fact, McKinsey & Company reports that blockchain has the potential to revolutionize the way businesses manage their supply chains. Responsible leaders who understand how to leverage this technology can significantly improve their organization's credibility and trustworthiness. For instance, in the food industry, blockchain has been implemented to trace products from farm to table, ensuring that consumers know where their food comes from and whether it was ethically produced. Walmart, for example, uses blockchain to trace the origin of its food products. This level of transparency is vital in an era where consumers demand greater accountability from businesses. The fashion industry is another area where blockchain is making significant strides. Companies like Provenance and Everledger are using blockchain to track the origin of raw materials, ensuring that diamonds and textiles, for instance, are sourced ethically. By offering transparency, these companies allow customers to make more informed, ethical purchasing decisions, which helps build trust and brand loyalty. Responsible leaders in these companies use blockchain to bridge the gap between ethical intent and operational execution. Blockchain is also reshaping corporate governance. By making records immutable and tamper-proof, blockchain reduces the risk of fraud and corruption, particularly in financial transactions and supply chain operations. Leaders who adopt blockchain are showing a commitment to ethical governance and ensuring that their companies are not just profitable, but also accountable. This is particularly important in industries where regulatory scrutiny is increasing and customers are demanding higher standards of transparency. Of course, blockchain isn't a magic bullet. There are challenges associated with implementing this technology, including the need for significant upfront investment and the complexity of integrating it with existing systems. Additionally, there are concerns around the energy consumption of blockchain networks, particularly in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Responsible leaders must weigh these challenges carefully and determine how best to apply blockchain in ways that align with their sustainability goals. To conclude, responsible leadership in the digital age requires a deep understanding of emerging technologies like blockchain. Leaders who can integrate these tools into their business operations not only enhance transparency and accountability, but also build stronger, more sustainable brands. As future leaders, your role will be to stay ahead of these technological trends and apply them to ensure that your organizations are operating ethically and sustainably.